12-pack LED road flare. Include 12 LED road flares. Emergency light with storage bag and install tool. Keep you and your family security in case you have a problem. Roadside emergency situations. Super bright. These roadside flares contain super bright orange amber LEDs with high visibility in daylight, midnight, raining or fog days. Light up a safe area around the vehicle. Power by AAA batteries, battery not included. 9 different LED modes. These warning light flares offers 9 different LED mode, including SOS rescue and multi-use flashlight, to make sure it attracts attention in different emergency situation. A single click on the power button cycles through different flashing light mode. Easy installation. These road safety lights made in durable outer rubber enclosing, contain strong magnet and a plastic hook. You put them on the ground or stuck them on your vehicle. IP67 Waterproof, excellent tightness, keeps battery dry in the rain. Easy storage and carry. Come with a storage bag for storing in your trunk as truck's emergency preparedness kit. Perfect for travel or vehicle, bicycle, ship. Emergency necessary. Top reviews from the United States. Great visibility. Great safety light. Worth the money. Inexpensive and worked great. Highly recommend it.